What's going on, everyone? This is my unboxing of my dual compressor manifold half-inch and my air tank I got from Airmaxxx. Purchased them on eBay through the Airmaxxx dealership. Got a pretty good deal on it. I paid, I want to say, $200 for the compressors and the tank, and then $170 for the half-inch manifold. Tank that I'm unboxing right now. 5-gallon air tank. It's got 4 half-inch ports in the front, 2 ports on the side for the compressor to go in. Plan on mounting it in the bed. Hole on each side, and the 4 across the middle. Painted black, got a nice Airmaxxx sticker on it. The next flip in the big box. This has the dual compressors and the half-inch manifold that I got. Something I've never seen before with Airmaxxx. They have this new thing to complete. Instead of having to buy individual valves for your dumping your fills, you just have this one manifold. I was emailing Airmaxxx and talking about the manifold, and each valve is replaceable, so you get to have backups. It's not like the whole thing goes out, it's shot. It's made a pretty good deal. Packaging is pretty good. There's some cardboard, shredded cardboard. It's pretty snug in there. Package really nice. I feel like most of that should have been in the air tank. It was kind of loose. I definitely was not expecting this manifold to be this size. It's extremely bigger than I thought. Couple of instruction paperwork. I put it together. As you can see, it's got 8 solenoids on it, all one complete unit. Similar to the AccuAir setup they have with the Slam Specialties manifold. This is Airmaxx's. One of the best ones I found that was the half-inch. Most seem to run 3/8. I like to go half-inch in my truck. Full-size Chevy, want a little hop with it. All the wires. I emailed them, they sent me the wire diagram. It's color-coded. Nice to know. Extremely heavy. Now, got more paper. Just a little tip: if you purchase on eBay and use the eBay's app, you get discounts. It's a little cheaper. Everything's from Airmaxxx, so it's not like it's from some third party. And pull the trash in it. I believe these are Airmaxxx, like 480s, dual 480s. Couldn't really find much information about Airmaxxx compressors. People lean real heavy towards Air Zenith. And on my old setup, I've had both Air and Air Zenith, and they both have gone out on me. So I figure the price of these is worth a shot to see what Airmaxxx is about. The new company seems like they're trying to get their name out. If they go out for a year or two, I feel like I got my money's worth. Package pretty nice. Nice small, compact compressors. 200 PSI, 100% duty cycle at 100 PSI. All the specs you can find on just Google, but really happy with it. Seemed nice. Can't decide if I'm gonna mount the compressors under the bed or in the bed. Have a snug top. I like to have access to everything. Little diagram how to wire up dual compressors. Little sticker, nice, actually really nice decal sticker. Not sure if I'll put it on. I'm not really into stickers on my vehicle. Another compressor, taking it apart. Hopefully everything goes good with these Airmaxxx. If not, I'll probably end up leaning more towards an engine-driven compressor. Just haven't wanted to pull the trigger on that. Something about the buzzing of these compressors that drives me nuts. So now I'll get a little closer view. The tank's definitely smaller than I thought it would be. Roughly 33 inches. I knew the specs before I bought it, but you can know, well, it just seemed smaller, which is not a big deal. It's 5 gallons. Dual compressors. Extremely happy with them. There's a manifold here. Oh, there's the relays and the pressure switch to the compressors in the tank, and some more stickers and business cards. I'm in no way sponsored by airslamit.com. It's just a thing in the box. Here's a manifold I'm pretty excited about. As you can see, you have your 1/2 inch for each valve, and then you have your gauge fittings also on top. You have each solenoid, top dump and fill for each side, for each bag. It's very compact, very neat. Less fittings, and you have two holes, 1/2 inch holes there. One on each side. One's an inlet, one's an exhaust.